Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top for new collection CNC Woodworking Machine Review 2025.
Number 4.
Product characteristics. Structure upgrade. XYZ limit switches are fully upgraded to ensure safe operation, while the X-axis CNC plate is thickened to 8 mm to enhance durability and stability. Compatibility upgrade. The module of the TTC 450 Pro CNC machine has been upgraded to compatible more kit. It supports not only the 4th axis rotary module kit, 500W spindle, but also the trimmer 20W laser module. With these kits, your woodworking creations will be much more manageable.
Number 3.
Features: engraving area 300 mm x 315 mm. Focus: fixed focus. Default focal length 50 mm. Control mode PWM. Power rate S0 S1 000. Output powerful 5W10W. Engraving speed 0.12000 mm. Min.
Number 2.
Introduction. The CNC Rotary is suitable for industry, technology research, advertising design, arts creation, teaching, student project and hobby purposes. The CNC Rotary is designed for large area engraving work such as industrial or hobby prototype building model making, PCB, advertising signs, artwork, crafts, aircraft models, RC model parts, etc. So, you can do engraving work at office or home.
Number 1.
The Windrower Laser Engraver offers 3W, 5W, or 10W power options with a 1060 for nanometers IR laser, ideal for precision engraving on metal, wood, and leather. Perfect for DIY projects, it features CNC capabilities for detailed laser cutting, ensuring professional quality results every time.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.